Can an LLC elect to be taxed as C Corporation? Yes, an LLC can elect to be taxed as a C Corporation by filing Form 8832 with the IRS. This changes how the LLC's income is taxed, but does not change its legal status as an LLC. With C Corp taxation, the LLC pays corporate income tax on its profits. If profits are distributed to members as dividends, those dividends are taxed again on the members' personal tax returns. This is known as double taxation. Some LLCs choose this option to take advantage of lower corporate tax rates, reinvest profits in the business, or attract outside investors. For small businesses, the default pass-through taxation of an LLC is usually simpler and more beneficial. C Corp taxation is more common for companies planning to grow significantly or raise investment capital. Zen Business can form your LLC and help with the C Corp election if it's the right move for your business. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.